Good morning, boys and girls. Today's sound is Y. Let us go to Letterland and find the character that makes the sound Y.
Letterland, Letterland, there could be no better land for meeting a duck, a man with a hat, an orange or two, and a clever old cat. So let's go to Letterland, Letterland, Letterland. Walter Walrus Wetterland meets slithering Sam, a king who can kick, a quarrelsome queen, or make noisy Nick. So let's go to Letterland. Let's go to Letterland today.
Yellow Yo-Yo Man says Y. Yellow Yo-Yo Man says Y.
Yo-Yo man says yeah in words. Yes sir, yeah in words. Yellow yo-yos he will sell and work for other men as well. Yo-Yo man says yeah in words. Yes sir, yeah in words. Yellow yo-yos he will sell and work for other men as well.
Now that we know how to say the sound Y, let us learn how to write the letter Y. Let us put our finger on the green dot, short line down, under, up, long line down, hook, and stop at the red dot. One more time, finger on the green dot, short line down, under, up, long line down, and we hook, stopping at the red dot. Let us go and listen to the story that Mrs. Reed has for us today.
If you like yo-yos, then you will like the Yellow Yo-Yo Man. He has been selling yo-yos for years, but he still needs to sell lots more. That is because he is saving up to buy a yacht, like the one with yellow sails in the picture, and yachts cost a lot of money. So, if you went to Letterland, it wouldn't be long before you would hear Yo-Yo Man yelling, "Yo-yos for sale! Super yellow yo-yos!" Then you would see him showing the children how to yank the yo-yos to make them climb up and down on their strings, just like he is doing in this picture. Do you like yo-yos? Yes. Would you like one of Yellow Yo-Yo Man's yo-yos too?
What a lovely story. For today's activity, you have a choice of two things. You can either ask your parents to buy you a yo-yo and then you can play with your yo-yo, or you can simply do some yoga, which is a very, very soothing form of exercising the body. And that is all for today. Thank you and goodbye.